Okay guys, it's your boy 237 Scene, and today we are back on a tutorial video. And on this video I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Gmail account, a Google account, a Google Mail, Gmail. And all you need is just your phone or your iPad or your laptop, any device that you can access the internet with, guys. You just need it. So right now the link to this page will be in the description below, so click on the link so that you get you there. So when you're on this page, guys, the first thing to do is to go to create account, which is right down here. Click on create account, and guys, it will automatically show you if the account you're about to create, if it's for private use or for business purpose. So guys, you choose anyone you want to choose. All the procedures I said the same I'll take to manage my business, and I'll click there. Alright, bring me to this page. Your first name, your last name. Guys, please make sure to put in your real name. Okay guys, the username, it depends on you guys. I can type a young neighbor for my username. Then guys, you input your password, your passcode, and I'll just input something like this. Let me see next. And alright guys, my name is already taken. Okay guys, Google automatically give you some choices of names that you can take. For me, I'll go with a young neighbor 6. I'll take that and I'll go to next. Internet connection is kind of slow, sorry, gonna wait a little bit. Okay guys, take you to the next page. This page, you're gonna ask your phone number, guys, but it's optional to ask you for a recovery email address. So since it's your first time creating an email address, you leave that place blank. Okay, I'm in Cameroon. I'll input my number. Okay, then I'll come to my month. You click on the little box called month. You search for your month. As for me, I was born in the month of October. Your date, you type in your date, 20th, your year 2000. Guys, your gender, don't forget your gender also. Of course, I'm male. If you're a female, you choose a female. Rather not to say custom, whatever, guys, but I'm male. So click on next. And guys, for the sake of this tutorial, to cut it short, I won't verify my number, so I'll click on not now and read everything, the privacy and the terms, and you click on agree. Click on agree, then take you to this page. The internet is slow, guys, please be patient. Okay guys, and kaboom guys, you've created your Gmail account, you created your Google Mail, and it's loading. Kaboom guys, and you get to this page, guys, and click on next. Then you click on how you want your platform to look like, if it's default, comfortable, compact. Guys, I always go for the comfortable, and click on OK. And guys, that's it guys, that's your email address, guys. If you go up here to this icon with the E, click there, you see a young neighbor, you're gonna see your email, you see everything about it, guys. So guys, with all this, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Please, if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that I will notify you whenever I hit up or upload a new video. Thank you, peace out.